What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Google AdSense account permanently. But before deleting your account, there's just a small thing that I want to inform you. First, you must have a zero balance in your Google AdSense account. If you have any outstanding charges, you will have to pay them before you can delete your account. And deleting your account will also delete all of your data, including your campaigns, keywords, ads, and ad extensions. And this data cannot be recovered once you delete your account. First thing you should do is to open your browser, then search for Google AdSense. Click on the first link you have. Then here, as you can see, it will open up this page. All you have to do right now is to click on sign in. Then it will jump you directly to this page right here. Just go down and click on this admin sign right here. After that, you will see here the account settings. After going to the account settings, you will see the account status, which is now active. And what you should do right now is to simply click on this R right here and it will show you this option, cancel my account. Click on cancel my account. This message will pop out. Click on cancel account and here, as you can see, I have canceled my account. And now here, as you can see, it will show this message right here, reactivate my account. And this is actually because the account will take about 30 days in order to be cancelled permanently. So in order to permanently delete your account, you should wait for the 30 days after clicking on cancel my account. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.